गुरुरादिर् अनादिश्च गुरु परं देवतम् गुरु परतरं नास्ति तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
We want to know something about you.
What do you want to know about me?
Which country do you belong and how do you come over here in India?
Okay, I come from Israel, Tel Aviv, Israel, and I've been in the spiritual world since 97. 97, right. 1997 I started with Reiki, healing, hands-on healing. That's the method that Jesus used to do. In India. He learned in India. That's what we learned. And I took after Reiki. It was not complete. I couldn't accept people, just make them feel good. So I took, addition to Reiki, Karuna, something called Karuna. It's Indian, from Sai Baba. And then I took Sikhem, it's Egyptian healing system. And then I took Shambhala, which I really don't know the origin of it. Anyway, I knew something was incomplete, and I asked God, what next? Suddenly, I received my email list, invitation from Sadhguru. And when I read it, I entered the website, the computer, and I said, wow, this is exactly what I've been looking for. And my question has been answered. And that's how we started the whole process. I started corresponding with the Kuldeep. Back and forth. There were some difficulties because there were no flights to India. They were fully booked. And finally, I got my visa, I got the flight, and here I am since Monday. I came Monday. Yeah?
Yes.
And today I'm leaving Bikaner to Delhi, from Delhi to Oman to Bikaner, unfortunately. I really had a great time, and I benefited completely and totally, and I loved every minute of it, and you are all wonderful people.
What experience you have got sitting with Guruji?
Great one. I've learned so many things from him in particular. In this little time that we were together, when he passed on to me so much power, is just incredible. And it just made me complete, like I said. I closed the circle. That's it. Now, I'm going to only work for Gurudev and his, and I'm going to do my best to get him into America. If you want, yes, I'm going to do my best. I'll try my best, really, to get you into America. And like you said, from the government of America will request you through the government of India to go. Because they really need you there. They want peace. And the message that you have to NASA, you're going to give it also. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. I'll do my utmost. And today you really shocked me. I am really shocked, but I'm going to study and see what's all this about, okay? Yeah. Well, thank you all.
Plans,
Excuse me?
what are your future plans regarding this situation?
I have to study it. First I have to sit, study, and see what's going on. And see if I can really do it. I don't know. You see, with the help of Gurudev, I'll be able to collect my thoughts, to find out what I am really going to do. But right now, I cannot tell you. I am in total shock. That's what I can say. And when I am in shock, I cannot function even. So, yeah. And yesterday with your grandson's birthday, it was great. We had a wonderful time, and I loved everybody. I'm only sorry that I met them only last night and not before. They're all wonderful people. Very nice family you have. Yeah, you too. Okay. Huh?
Ask some questions.
It's okay. There's no need. That's fine.
देखो एक बात
Yeah.
दो मैं था
Yeah, don't. It's okay.
इसकी इससे शक्कर मिलाओ, हाथ की अंगुले मिलो, मतलब कितना नख से ये
The most
बिल्कुल
important-
टैली कर रही है।
But,
इन रियली में तो इसने बुलाया,
You are like
इन रियल सेंस तो इसने बुलाया।
huh? Oh, yeah. Right. It's true. Look at her.
शुरू से लेके अब तक इसके साथ है और किसी फैमिली के मेंबर के साथ नहीं है। तो ये तो खैर एक स्पिरिचुअल जगत की बात है, भौतिक जीवन से इसका, भौतिक लोगों से इसका कोई मतलब नहीं। मुझे मालूम है, मैं जानता हूँ।
The truth also, I came here only to mention that you gave me initiation Shaktipan. And I'm really honored. And I have the word. The only word, and I'm going to work with it.
Repeat it.
Huh?
Repeat
All
it.
the time.
All
Right.
the time.
Yes. Meditate day and night and repeat
Yes.
it all the time.
24 hours, round the clock.
Exactly. Uh-huh.
After
Yeah.
some time, it will वो become वो ऐसा वो क्या कहते हैं,
Habit.
सेल्फ मूवमेंट, सेल्फ मूवमेंट,
Continuous, yeah.
सेल्फ मूवमेंट,
Okay.
ऑटोमेटिकली।
I'll have it in my mind. Yes. And I will, of course, inform you of any change, and there will be changes. That's for sure.
This duty will take over. Rosie sitting in you. You will started
Working.
repeating this word.
Oh, okay. That's good. Here behind all the time, huh? Okay. So I have one also, so I'm all covered. I'm ready to start my spiritual journey. Yeah. And thank you all for everything.
When you first saw the website,
ये
Huh?
when you first
आज से इसका एक नया जीवन, 16 से इसका एक नया जीवन शुरू। इसका नया जीवन तो बहुत पहले से शुरू हो गया था तेल अबीब में, मगर वो उस जीवन, अपना जैसा जीवन दूसरों को नहीं दे सकती आज तक। अब उसको ये पावर डेलीगेट होगी, फिजिकली जब ये मेरे से टच में आ गई तो ये फिजिकल चेंज ला सकती है थ्रू आउट वर्ल्ड। अब बता दो, अपने से तक सीमित थी, समझे? इसको एक्सपेक्ट करने की कोशिश करो, मेरे को फॉलो करो, मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, जहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ वैसे स्टार्ट करके एंड वहीं करो जहाँ मैं था। ये पावर तो जब इसने यहाँ मेडिटेशन शुरू किया था तेल अबीब में तो मिल गई थी, पर वो इस तक सीमित थी। 16 तारीख को मेरे से दीक्षा लेकर के जब नाम जब शुरू किया तो अब मेरे में इसमें कोई फर्क नहीं रह गया। इसलिए अब ये मैं जैसे कर रहा हूँ सारी दुनिया का भला कर सके।
No, when you first started your spiritual life, when you were in the now since he has given you the power that you can work for the whole world, for
Through
whole
him.
mankind. Yeah,
Through him.
You are just an instrument.
Right, exactly. I have to call upon him, right, to be with me. Okay. It's really an honor.
There is no difference between you and
Now there
Buddha.
is no difference between you and him. He will be always with you.
That's good. That's what I always wanted. That's what I always wanted, really.
Now, I am just asking you one question. When you
Yes.
first time saw the website,
Yes.
what attracted you? Like, what made you believe that yes, he is the real guru? Because in India there are so many gurus.
Right.
What you said yesterday.
Yes.
In India every third person is a guru.
Exactly. Everywhere. I
Yeah.
said, where you going? Everybody's asking me, where you going? What you going to do? I said, I'm going to Sadhguru. Do you know him? They laughed. They said, everybody's Sadhguru in
India.
in the India. And the embassy, they were calling everybody, look, she's going to say, she's so naive, so she's going to Sadhguru. Everybody's Sadhguru is there. No, but something what happened to me is, it's written down. First of all, I asked Gurdeep if he can, if the Gurudev can give me online the initiation. And he said, no, but you can meditate on his picture, okay? And I meditated, I put the picture, I enlarged the picture on the screen on my computer, and I meditated once, twice, 3 times, and I felt power in my body, going in and out my body, in and out. So I said, I am connecting with him. At first, no. At first, he didn't let me. The first time, the second time, and then he started. Gurudev started trusting me, and then we exchanged energy. Okay. And then one day I was sitting and seeing him here. Suddenly, he transformed into Jesus. I just couldn't believe it.
Please describe.
Jesus Christ, yeah. Gurudev became Jesus. He was Gurudev first, and then he became Jesus. And we were corresponding with Kuldeep, what to take, the train, the airplane, to connect to Jodhpur. I said, forget about all this. I have something more important. Listen, what happened to me? And I told him that I saw Gurudev transforming into Jesus, and I have a great feeling that he is the incarnate of Jesus. And after that, 2 days before I came, he said, here, you're coming to me, and it was only Jesus. No believe.
Now you
Now-
believe Buddha is incarnation of the Jesus.
Right.
Now you
Now, I believe this. Before I came, I knew that. And then Guldeep told me I'm not the only one. Many people had this vision that he is the incarnate of Jesus. He is the comforter that we're waiting for. He is the comforter.
sure.
I am positive. I mean, I saw it. And then Kuldeep said many people there also saw this vision, not only me.
The same people there will believe.
Now that I am near him, I feel he is. And
No.
I see the way he talks. You see? It's not that he has somewhere written. It comes automatic out of him. You see, it comes automatic in the talking. Very wise man. And he talks a lot like Jesus, but wiser. You see? He has grown since then. He has learned a lot of things. Yeah? Everything comes automatic with him.
Now you believe that Buddha is comfort.
Yeah, I do. I do. Absolutely.
No,
He is
according-
for me. Yeah, I feel it. I feel it.
According to your word, we can believe.
You
now
can.
we can believe that Buddha
You
is,
can, of course.
my
you
Buddha
can
is
believe.
comforter.
You can believe, of course. He's the only one who's going to bring peace to the world.
Do you think people will believe there?
Yes. Absolutely.
For that will happen.
I have to work on it. I know.
Gurudev have
I know.
dedicated the power so she can
I
do
know.
well.
I know. Because when I went to Jodhpur after the ashram, I couldn't move. I couldn't do anything. You see, you can see fake from real. You can really. And then they told me, Sad is true. This is true. He is the true guru. It is true. And I can feel it inside. And that's the most important. You can feel the difference between people. He also, he can convey messages to me, not by words, not by words. You see, by heart. We talk through our heart.
Paravani.
Yes.
Paravani.
It's true. It is true. I can sit with him for hours, but we'll talk with our hearts. Yeah, and that's for sure I can feel.
आवाज है ही नहीं. Only divine light. ये मानव का पूर्ण विकास है. ये मानव का अंतिम विकास है.
Come, come.
प्लीज. ये मानव का, मानव जाति का पूर्ण और अंतिम विकास है. ये युग परिवर्तन का समय है. न्याय होगा. न्याय होगा.
What is he saying?
अब खरा और खोटा है उसको दुनिया पहचान ली. बोल नहीं चलेगी आगे. ये सत्य है. क्योंकि ये संपूर्ण मानव जाति में होने वाला परिवर्तन है. इसलिए पूरे विश्व का अधिकार है इस पर. संपूर्ण मानव जाति का अधिकार है इस पर. ये विकासवाद का सिद्धांत है भाई. मतलब अब इनकी, हमारे पास जो धन है उसकी जरूरत इनको है
इनके धन जो था
और भौतिकवाद के विकास की जरूरत हमको है. तो ये मतलब दो शक्तियों का आदान प्रदान है, समझ रहे हो ना। जो जाति आदान प्रदान नहीं करती, सर्वाइव मुश्किल से करती। तो अब ये आदान प्रदान शुरू हो गया 16 तारीख से, जनवरी से। आप लोग इसके विटनेस हो भाई, हैं? आप लोग इसके विटनेस। अब देखो क्या होता है, देखते जाओ क्या होता है। ये नहीं जानती क्या है, मैं जानता हूं ये क्या है, समझे? अब वो ठीक है, उसको मैं आगे नहीं एक्सप्लेन करूंगा, आगे नहीं एक्सप्लेन करूंगा। ये अभी टाइम नहीं, उस आगे बात कहने का टाइम नहीं है। टाइम कुछ बातें वहां कहने की अलग है, यहाँ कहने की अलग है, इसलिए अभी तो कुछ नहीं बोला। अब इसको प्रेम से विदा करो। ये अब मेहमान नवाजी में तो हमारा देश शुरू से रहा है, तो अब मेरी गाड़ी ले जाओ, चाहे इसको गड़बड़ और थोड़ी दिखा दो, कोई दिखाना है तो इसको, और कुछ करना है तो इसको करा दो, नहीं करना चाहती है तो
मना कर दिया गुरुजी।
बस नहीं, ये और
कल मैंने पूछा
इसको मतलब देखिए जी, ओनली डिमांड जो पूरी होगी। अब ये तो अपने कमरे में जाके गूंगे मर बैठ, गूंगाल गोट
कोई इसने कल कहा
What? Everybody is...
इसको बताओ गूंगे का गुड़, हमारे धर्म में इसको गूंगे का गुड़ कहा है। तो अब इस गूंगे का गुड़ बताओ, इसको गूंगे का गुड़ का अर्थ बताओ इसको इनकी भाषा में।
The deaf person, dumb person, he doesn't know how to speak. If you give him a sweet thing, he doesn't know how to explain, isn't it? That's what he's saying. You do not know.
No.
It is just the same for you. Like
I
a
don't.
dumb person doesn't know what to say, whether it's sweet or sour.
Right.
That's the thing. He's telling.
I don't.
जो खाता है उसी को स्वाद आता है।
Only the person who eats, if the dumb person will eat, he know sweet, but he cannot explain. That's the same thing with you.
I don't know. I
At
don't know
present
how...
you are shocked, yeah?
Huh?
At present you are shocked.
I
Very much
am,
shocked, isn't it?
absolutely. I did not expect that. I just thought I'm going to come here and say hi and goodbye and that's it.
That's what you said yesterday also.
Huh? Yeah, exactly.
अब पंकज जी, इस अंधकारपूर्ण युग का अंत बहुत नजदीक। इस अंधकारपूर्ण युग का अंत जो है बहुत नजदीक। अब जियो और जीने दो के सिद्धांत के आधार पर दुनिया का परिवर्तन।
I'm also leading a simple life. This is going to complicate my life, no?
My life is complicated.
कॉम्प्लिकेट लाइफ बना दे हुए
I have a very simple life.
Now you will be more simple.
Huh?
More simple.
I don't think so.
Simple
No,
than
no,
what you are.
definitely you will be
Yeah.
more simple, more simple. It will be easy, very easy work. Easiest in the world. Easiest work in the world. Don't worry, don't afraid. आप देखो, नहीं आप उसको समझाओ कि तुम कुछ कर नहीं रही हो, यू आर डूइंग नथिंग। वो तो पहले हुआ है, आप तो कह रही हो देखो ये तो पहले से हुआ, अब से नहीं हो रही, मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ। इसको तो यही कहना है कि मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ, ये पहले से ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट करता है, ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट। मैं तो केवल उसका इंट्रोडक्शन दे रही हूँ। आई एम गिविंग ओनली इंट्रोडक्शन, आई एम डूइंग नथिंग।
Conveying the message. Okay.
बहुत आसान का, वेरी इजी
तो और सिंपल लाइफ होगी, इजी
है, बहुत इजी लाइफ। इजी तो अब हुई है, पहले इजी सोच रही थी। वो इजी से
Before this life was not easy. Now it has become easy.
Yeah, now it's going to be easier.
सिंपल
you were easy, then why diabetic?
Yeah, right. Why?
You were not living in easy life.
No, right.
Now you will.
Yeah, here I have no more room. I
Ah.
take my husband's hands to go tuk. No more room. So diabetes brought me here.
Ah,
I got it.
for this holy purpose.
Okay. I
Yeah.
accept that.
ये शुभ थी डायबिटीज इसकी। कई आदमी ने मुझे पहले कहा है।
इतने को तो कल ही बताया था कि डायबिटीज के कारण ही वेबसाइट देख के डिजीज के कारण से जुड़ी।
हाँ,
कल बताया था।
हाँ कल बताया था।
दुनिया सारी बीमार है, मेरे पास तो यही आएंगे, चाहे इजराइल से आ जाए, चाहे अमेरिका से आ जाए, चाहे इंडिया से आ जाए। अब बताओ मैं
पहला तो मोटो तो ये होगा कुछ।
Huh?
All diseased person.
We come to him first. Yes, right. And
और वो जो
the
सबसे
doctors
खतरनाक
at the hospital will go bankruptcy.
Yeah.
They have no work.
ऐसा है, एड्स इस वक्त का सबसे खतरनाक, और उसको हमने मार दिया। वो साथ आया था कार में लेके,
गाने के साथ में
और वही उनको खा रहा है,
एड्स ही का।
एड्स ही खा रहा है। हमने कहा हम उसको फ्री में आपको मुक्त कर
ट्रीटमेंट देंगे।
फ्री मेडिकल एड फ्रॉम इंडिया फॉर ऑल टाइप ऑफ डिजीजेस।
Incurable.
पर्टिकुलर एड्स,
Incurable, yeah.
पर्टिकुलर एड्स।
Yes, right. What's on the website? That's what it says. Cancer, mainly cancer and AIDS. Yeah.
You met that person AIDS.
Huh?
You met that fellow.
Oh, sure,
for life.
sure, yeah.
He was an AIDS patient.
Right. There is a medical journal, newspaper. They took our picture. That we are a disciple of Gurudev.
Gurudev, yeah.
Right. Mm-hmm.